Assalamu alaikum. I'm Hana Fuad. Today I'm gonna share how I create a LED light for interior areas or outside area. Now I'm gonna show you for living room area how I design this one and I create the LED lights. Okay, let's start. The first step, we are going to go to the option and element attribute, then surface to create another new LED light. This is the previous one and I will show you the new one. So I will click on the new and I will write light 2 and then okay. I will go to the basic in gen and then I will select different colors, more brightness than yellow. So you have to select yellow color and then change the color from the yellow to the dark yellow or light yellow. So this one I will select this one and then I'll add it to the custom, which is this one. Okay. So after that, it depends how the height of this color it will be, or you want it dark or light, the divisions. So I'm okay with this one. Okay, I'm okay with this one also. And then we're gonna go to the render and we'll click on update from the basic, remove this one and this one. We'll go to the color. We'll see the color we wanted. For example, you wanted more brightness, you can do brightness. Okay, but before that we have to click on the luminance and here where it shows us for the rendering. So the luminance I will be with this height of the curve. So this is how it's going to be the brights. So I will make it a little bit darker. Okay, this is good. So after that we are done with the first step. The second step, we are going to design a wall. For example, I will go click a wall here around, yeah, we'll click over here around 100. Okay, and I'll change this one to 1. Okay, remove it. Okay, so now we have a wall over here. Okay, I will change this one to another color. I'll go down to the surface and change for everyone to a wood as you wanted, and check if it is at the side. So the side one, it is white, so I want to work the lights around the side area, so I will select the interior to light 2. You see how it is visible, the lights over here. Okay, so here also for this wall I will change for this one also. This one and this are similar. I'll go to the light 2. Okay, and then here this and this, 3 of them are similar. I'll go to the light 2. Okay, we are okay. After that I will go to the third step. It is going to check the rendering. So I'll go to the document and creative imagine and then run Photoshop rendering setting to check the lights over there have to be rendered. So here we have the rendering setting, the quality, the light. So when it comes the lights, if you have around your area the light, you're gonna turn on or off. So I'm okay with 150. And then this one, the lamp we are using, I will select to the 100, and this one is for the lumion. For the late lights, it's gonna help us, so I'll go with 100. So let's check how it's gonna look like. There we go. It just look like this. So let's go and render. So this is how it's look like, the lead lights. Okay, an example, because this area there is no a lamps. So I'm gonna insert a lamp at the top for the ceiling, and let's check how it's gonna look like. Okay, and let's check the rendering setting. Okay, as you see now, there's a lot of difference between the previous one and this one, because there's a reflection at the top of the ceiling, but when there is no, it doesn't show you that much different. So here it is the different, it's showing the more brightness, but when it is like this, I can increase the lights of the lead light. So for example, I'll go to the I'll go to the rendering setting, and I will increase the luminance. Okay, and I will try to decrease the lights and also the brightness. Okay, let's check here how it's gonna look like. Okay, it's almost similar, and it is much better than before, and it's rendering to make it the difference between the second and the third. Here we go. There's a lot of difference between the second and the third one. So when you go to the second, the brightness of the lamp is more than the lead lights. So when we come here, it's a little bit different. So we can change the setting lights according to the rendering setting. And if you don't like the yellow color, we're gonna go to the option, element attribute, the surface, and then we're gonna change the light over here for the luminance, depend on the color we want it to reflect for us. For example, you want different color which is not yellow, you can do red and other colors, and it depends what you want. But this is the procedure. You can do it in a simple way, and if you have any questions, just comment below. And this is all. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like, and thank you for watching.